This is where we started this morning, that's start point. Put 85 metre in today, it's about 2:30 now.
Howdy, hope everyone's okay. Nice long weekend for Easter, another short week this week. The lads are just over today over in Wakefield Way at Thorpe School. It's about 85 metres of 1.8 V mesh. Very easy job really. They might even do it in day, I would have thought. Just depends on the digging, so hopefully they'll get some footage of that. And then tomorrow we're all in the yard actually. I want to get our new office that we've had delivered all wired up and computers on, everything like that. And we bought some new desks, so we're doing bits and bats like that and a bit of maintenance. So yeah, we'll get some footage as we go along.
So happy Tuesday, I hope everybody's had a good bank holiday. We're already at it, we're all loaded up, already on the job over in Wakefield at another school. So yeah, we'll give you a quick look at what we're going to be doing. So today we're going to be taking out this chainmail with old concrete posts from that palisade there. We're going to be coming all the way down and all the way down here. All this is going to be coming out and it's going to be replaced with 1.8 V mesh in green. So everybody should be in a good mood. Sun's coming out, so it'll be a nice day for everyone. You know how it's like after everybody's gone out and got steaming and whatever else they've done over the weekend. So yeah, we're back to it. We've all been at gym this morning. Me, Mark and Jamie all up at 4 o'clock, go to gym. So let's get this cracked off and then I'm off. I'll be leaving lads anyway to it. I've got a couple of appointments to see today, so get them seen and a bit of clearance work what needs sorting out as well. So we're literally going all the way down to that palisade, so this straight line all out and then all put in, replaced with our fencing. Got 2 days on it. Obviously with it being concrete pours, sometimes it can just take a bit more cutting than anything else, and then we can get straight back to it. So we'll leave you to it. We'll get all this off the van and on to the next.
Howdy. We're just in our office, it's a bit cold. It's started raining outside, freezing. Meant to be spring now, what's going on? Anyway, we're just in here, got Matthew in background, look, he's had to rewire everything. What we're going on with his network and his cables and stuff, so he's been a busy boy all day, sorting all this lot out, look. And he's done his other cabin, his old cabin over there. Oh yeah, we've been building tables as well, new tables, look. We're all going to try and squeeze in together, but not much chance of that. But what I do like is he's changed all these, look, so we've got USB chargers, nice and easy. Great as that. We've just plumbed us sink in outside, so we can start using that, and then we'll just try to suss out a bit of a pump to get the 4 litre going. It's coming there, Matt, isn't it?
It's getting there.
Getting there. Another day or so and I think we'll be cracked it. We'll get us cameras up and screens and stuff then. Yeah.
Right, this is where we started this morning, that's start point. Main bag here. I'll just take you down here. So nice and tight to this fence. Old chain link here. Top caretaker wanted it, so put 85 metre in today. It's about 2:30 now, so I've had a decent day. Right, caretaker's here. He's he's just come over. We've had a big day on this. Back to it we are. It's Tuesday, day after bank holiday, so we've had a long weekend off. So we had a couple of days in for this, but we've absolutely smashed it. So I'll show you in a bit. It goes right up there. It goes in and out a bit, but we've hit a few roots and a few of these posts are leaning, so we couldn't have got a line on it. So, but yeah, he's over at Moon. So on to his next project. We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, good afternoon. Another busy day at Airedale. We're just waiting for delivery of loads of fencing to turn up now. So could be the next hour or so. You just never know with these deliveries. So we've got Marc. He's busy as always. So we'll just take a wander and let's show you what we've done so far. Yeah, so all post mix is up here now. This will be Marc and Matt's new office. I finally get my own, get rid of them both, hallelujah. Yeah, so obviously we've cleared all space up now. We're going to have a massive delivery, usually just pulls into the back, and clamps and all sorts of bits and bats once he's done. Yeah, so they're working over in Keighley today. We've got 2 days on it. It is a big job, but it's been split up into the holidays, so we'll be back there in probably just at the end of May, just at the end of May actually, I believe. We'll be there and we'll be installing some 358. Basically 358 is the anti-climb prison mesh. It's a lot safer. Basically you just can't get your little kids can't get their little fingers into it. It's not big enough, so it's one of the favourites nowadays for schools, what they go for when they want it secure. You know, people can't climb it as easy as the other stuff. So yeah, we've got about 70 metres to install there once we go back. Next couple of days the lads will just be sorting out the reinstalment of the bow top railings, installing the gates. But it was absolutely hammering it down earlier. Now you never know, now it's absolutely sunny in parts. But yeah, we're going to get cracked on. Hopefully this delivery comes on, because it was meant to be here at 12, you know, we're pushing it now, so it means they're just rescheduling all my day. But yeah, if you do need any fencing, let us know, we've got plenty. We also keep gates in stock as well in various different sizes. As you can see, post mix as well. I don't think you'll find cheaper post mix, what's decent stuff around. So if you do have any inquiries, just feel free to get us through our number. So good morning on this fine, lovely sunny day where we're all going to get absolutely drenched. So today we're at Phoenix School over in Keighley. What we're going to be doing today, this is stage 1 of a job. What we're going to be doing next month is we're basically replacing these bow top railings here, and we'll be replacing them for 358 mesh, and basically it's basically what we like to call the anti-climb stuff, so you can't get your hands in it. The gate's there's not going to be a gate there, it's going to be bolted down this section, and then we're also going to be taking out these bow top railings here all the way up to this corner, and these are actually getting taken out and reinstalled. This section here will get reinstalled. We're going from this corner post, we're going straight line here, reinstall the gate all the way to this end here, and then following back into the wall. We come back next month, all this stuff, all this bow top railing, all of that stuff, all coming out and getting replaced for 358 as well. Lads are nearly done, about an hour left here, and just going to give you a quick tour of what's happened and what's been done. Let's go around. So Jamie, at the minute while I'm here, I'm just going to take all this back to the yard for him. We've had okay on the job, it's looking good. So started with taking the black railings down, and then they installed some 358 1.8 high on bolt down, so we didn't mess the floor up. And then on this side, we didn't take this side down because that's actually a separate school. They actually took the bottom bit down. We installed a 358 gate. It's all going to get blocked off with Harris fencing down at the bottom, nice and secure. And then this section here has been reinstalled. I'm going to tarmac the holes now, and then attach to the wall.
Hello there. Friday feeling already? Friday, sun comes round, doesn't it? Especially with these short weeks from the bank holiday. But yeah, lads have been busy today, doing a couple of schools still while the kids have been off. Start of the week they were over at Thorpe School and Wakefield, got that whacked off, 85 metres in day, and then did a bit in yard midweek, and then last couple of days they've been over at Keighley, I think it is, yeah, Keighley Way, Braithwaite Lane, Phoenix School. Just a few bits and bats. It's part of a bigger job that we're doing actually, but we can't get to that until the next holidays in May. So we've been doing what we can there for the last couple of days, just securing the boundaries and what have you. But yeah, I've sold Justin's little van actually, just on spur at the moment from a dealer kid that turned up, so he's having to take mine home unfortunately. So I'm just looking to source him another little van, probably get it over the weekend or maybe Monday. I've seen a couple I've got my eye on. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, so, and then actually the same kid, he actually buys bits of plant and stuff like that, so he's actually coming to buy, I don't know if you can see that our chipper there. I'll turn it around. It's a great little machine. I bought it specifically for the couple of jobs we had at the time. We've literally used it once, as you can see. It's pretty much brand new. You're a good lad actually, with this lad who came, because he'd actually bought another van indirectly off another kid who was a bit of a messer. So he'd come to get logbook and stuff for that, and then he ended up buying Justin's van on spur at the moment. Straight away paid me, and then he took one look at this and he says, yep, I'll have that, I'll have to come back in the other vehicle to tow it, because he were in like a car transport thing at the time, you see. So yeah, he's coming today for that and getting logbook for Justin's van, which I didn't have on me yesterday, so all good. And anyway, hopefully, like I said, the lads will have some footage. I'll sign out there and we'll see you next time.